Now that I've got your attention. Alright, so here's the problem. Parking signs. We all know that. You either drive around in circles, get fined, or pay €8 for 20 minutes in a garage. So, I'm building Parkly, an app that lets you rent someone's driveway by the minute. No meters, no guessing, no stupid flat rates. Think Uber meets Airbnb, but for parking. So you open the app, see a nearby spot, tap it, park it, boom, you're done. You only pay for the time that you're actually there. And the best part, anyone with a driveway, yard, or unused space can earn money from it. And if you live near a big sports stadium, you know exactly how in demand parking can be during game days. We're launching our crowdfunding campaign soon, but right now I'm just testing the waters to see, is this something you would use? If yes, check the link in my bio and join the early access list. Let's make parking suck a little less and become part of something that's going to change the way the world parks. Please share this video with everyone that you know, and it will show them that you care.